and have all the drained honey supers out, and the bees are going to take this all back in. Be really interesting to see how that affects their feeders. Yeah, they're down there getting every last bit off, and they'll actually claw away at some of that wax too. Look at how beautiful drawn out those frames are, how thick they are. That's what we're looking for, but a lot of it was comb that was drawing for the first time. You really can't see from this side, and it's been so cloudy and rainy, and we've got all the smoke from the northern fires going on. I'm going to go over to the hives here real quick, because some of them are bringing in nectar in pretty strongly. They're going along really good. So I'm taking note of what the feeder jars are at, just to see how much is going on. Look at these. These are my two strongest hives here as well. They're just going gangbusters. So they'll go through a quart jar like that a day here now, with all the rain we had earlier. And actually this hive here, I love this hive. This was a swarm cell hive. They're just going nuts. Pull out the little sock that I have there as kind of a gate for the rain. Didn't want robbing going on. So they got that going on. And then have an open feeder down here. See, the bees have been stuck inside all day. They're going to empty that. It's only a couple gallons that were in there, but the bees are moving. The sun's out. They're able to fly for the first time today. And yeah, look at that. Bees on a sock. They're doing crazy. It'll be interesting to see how this affects fall flow. And I just want the flow to build out some of the undrawn comb. So we'll see what happens. Tomorrow I'll get really nuts as far as them robbing from the empty frames.